24 with a minute and 19 to go in the second overtime period. So wala na pong import ang Magnolia rito. Here's Cortez. Cortez thought about it, goes inside with a runner. He looks very comfortable in this Magnolia offense, don't you think?
Yeah, like I said, the pace really suits Mike Cortez of this offense. And nakikita natin siya, he has free reign to create. And he has created a lot of situations, not only for his teammates, and obviously right there for himself.
Good. And Magnolia now with a 2-point lead with under a minute to go. Here's Daniel Defonso. Ortegueros actually was wide open. Oh, a steal! There's a steal! There's the rep on the move! And he is fouled!
What a big miscue on the part of Magnolia.
2 free throws. Roger Yap. Second free throw for Roger Yap. 1-point ball game here in the second overtime. 33 seconds remaining. Here's Finkless. Clippers doesn't need to foul. They're down by just one.
That's right. All they need is one big stop.
And even if Magnolia scores, provided it's not a three-pointer, they're still in the game. Fourth to shoot para sa Magnolia. Cortez is double team. And there's a steal. There's a steal. Darius Rice on the move. With 6 seconds to go. And Purefoods is on top by 127-126. 56 points for Darius Rice.
Right here, yung offensive ng Magnolia took so much time to develop. In the end, they were being rushed. And this guy has scored from tip-off all the way out here to the second conference. At yan yung umorder ng extra right.
6 seconds to go.
And a lot of options para dito kay Coach Shot Duncanson. A lot of those guys out there on the court para sa Magnolia can create. Well, you have to look out for Mark Fingris. Mark Fingris out of a miss. If Magnolia should miss, is the biggest threat out there.
Here's Danny I. Babalik kay Mike. Mike Cortez on the move. Mike Cortez with 3 seconds to go. Danny I with a good shot. They win. After 2 overtime periods, 127-126. And this was absolutely a hard-earned win for Purefoods. Darius Rice with 56 points.
So both teams definitely going the extra mile for this win. Actually, the extra 2 miles even.
Darius Rice, now a name, soon a legend. Here's the last play for Magnolia.
Right here, nabanggit kanina ni Coach Shot, to si Mike Cortez trying to make a read. Really gave Danny I a good look right there. No more often than not, I thought Danny I would make that shot. That's the best thing you can ask for, a good look at your last shot and a winning shot.
And so is the final score after the second overtime period, 127-126. 1-point win for Purefoods as we send you over to the Gatorade game turning point.
Right here, the game turning point was this steal right here mula dito kay Darius Rice. When Magnolia had a chance to push the lead up to 4 or 3, depending on what basket they made, turnover on one end, and another finish mula dito kay Darius Rice.
Turned out to be the winning layup for Purefoods, and without a shadow of a doubt,
actually, nahirapan tayo dito.
The best player of the game is Darius Rice, 56 primetime points. For everybody here at ABC Sports, I'm Miguel Halili saying good night. Well, Aldo Filipinas. This is a PBA on ABC.